time once again for this week's Let's Talk Legal. Compliments of Neumann van Rooyen attorneys. And this week, once again, we do have Crystelle Steyn. Crystelle, once again, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So today we are going to be chatting a bit more about whether you have been involved in a motor vehicle accident and what you need to do to assist your attorney in claiming damages. Now, although an accident can be very traumatic, is there something a person should do to gather information after the accident?
Yes, unless it was a very serious accident and a person was taken to the hospital, a person involved in an accident who is still at the scene should try and gather as much information at the scene of the accident to be able to claim damages from the other driver who caused the collision.
Now, what can this information be?
This will be details and contact information of the other driver, passengers, or any witnesses of the motor vehicles involved. Also, write down or take photos of the description of the vehicles with their registration numbers, and if possible, try and take as much photos of the accident, which will include damages to the vehicle as well as any surrounding areas.
Now, is there something a person should do after an accident?
Well, after the accident, you need to actually report the accident at the nearest police station and make sure an accident report was completed. Or if the police came to the scene, make sure an accident report is completed in your presence. This report should also contain the information of the other driver, and this is of vital importance to prove that an accident actually occurred and that the other party was in fact involved in the accident. And then thereafter, obtain at least 3 official quotations from different panel beaters regarding the repair cost of the damages on the vehicle. Or if the vehicle is damaged beyond repair, get a quotation that confirms same.
Now, what should a person do once all the information has been gathered?
It is important to know that the owner of the vehicle or a bona fide possessor of the vehicle are allowed to claim damages and not the driver of the vehicle. But once the necessary information and quotations were obtained, they can approach an attorney that will institute a claim against the negligent party.
Now, lastly, against whom can claims be instituted?
Claims can be instituted against either the driver of the vehicle who was negligent and caused the accident, or the driver's employer if the accident was caused during the scope and course of the driver's work, or the driver's private insurance if the driver was insured. So make sure to gather that information as well. If, for instance, the collision was against a company vehicle or a truck, make sure to note the company's name down, as this information might be helpful to claim against the company who most of the time have insurance for such accidents.
All right. Thank you so much, Crystelle, for joining us in studio once again.
Thank you.
So there you have it. That was Crystelle Steyn from Neumann van Rooyen attorneys. Remember, if you would like some more information, you can go and check out their website at www.nvrlaw.co.za.